I know from the previous video, all you can hear is that loud exhaust just going wham, and there's not really that actual Vtec sound, and it's all going to come from right here. This is what the car sounds like without the induction. One last Vtec screen before the induction changes. So fun, man, so fun. Just thought I'll show you guys what it sounds like under the hood as well. This is what needs to get changed. The reason why we're doing this mod is because after this induction kit we're going to do, it's definitely going to be boosted. It's the only mod we're ever going to do, the last mod we're ever going to do to the type R before we boost it. Just want to hear that Vtec, because obviously when it's boosted you ain't going to be able to hear that Vtec again. So let's just hear that Vtec with the induction, which somebody mentioned in the comment on one of the videos, and we're just gonna do it. So as you can see, there's 2 bolts at the front, 2 bolts at the back, and just a necktie, and then we're good to go. That's exactly where the turbo is gonna go. This is what's gonna do the Vtec crossover magic noise. Alright, we're on the road now, so let's find out if this free mod actually worked and we can hear that Vtec crossover. Let's go. Whoa! It's a lot louder, that is. Wow, yeah. That is a lot louder, that is. No way. That is a lot louder, jeez. Do that again. Alright, ready? Watch. Wait. There it is. That's where it was. Let's try that again. Let's go. Wow, this is bad. Whoa. It's screaming now, the Vtec is. Whoa, man. I think the sound makes it feel a lot louder, that does. That's crazy, man. That is crazy. It's just the next step to getting this car boosted. Come on, man. That's literally the next mod. I'm not going to do anything else on this Civic until we get that turbo on there. A lot louder now, that is. I do like it. That is crazy. If it sounds good, I guess it makes you feel, it makes you want to go faster, right? I think that's enough, man. Let's call that a wrap. Oh man. And all you Type R owners, you can't say you don't do that all the time. Come on. Come on. You always have to go with the Vtec, no matter what day it is. And it doesn't help the fact that if you're on a B road, country lanes, and it's a sunny day, right then, I guess that's a wrap. So, if you guys enjoyed that, let me know what you think. But I'm telling you, like the next best thing to the Civic, it really is the turbo, and we are gonna get it. I'm not messing about, I'm not joking. Like the turbo is gonna be on this car real soon. Like it's the next step. Like, I just need to feel that boost, man. Just need to feel it. Peace and blessings upon each and every one of you. Keep strong, keep focused, and hope you have a lovely time. So peace out.